Hello, my name is Thomas from Fast Grind, and today we will be using the Fast Grind system to grind and polish a concrete floor with a power trowel machine. We will do an 8-step grinding process. This is the Pro version of the Fast Grind system. It is an 8-step grinding process from grit 50 all the way up to grit 8000. This process will give you a salt and pepper finish with very high gloss at the end. The first step is to clean the floor. If the floor is new or not very dirty, you can just use Fast Clean to clean the floor. Fast Clean is a normal cleaning product for daily cleaning of concrete floors. If the floor is dirty with tire marks, oil, grease, you can use Fast Strip to strip all the dirt from the floor. Fast Strip is a very strong stripper which will take off all the oil, grease and tire marks. You use Fast Strip on a wet floor. Apply the product with a sprayer or a scrubbing machine and evenly spread it over the floor. Scrub the product during 30 to 45 minutes on the floor to make sure all the tire marks, oil and grease come off. After 30 to 45 minutes, remove the product with water. After using Fast Strip, it is very important to clean the floor with Fast Clean. Fast Clean will neutralize the Fast Strip. After cleaning the floor, we start grinding with the grinding discs. We start with grit 50 and 120. These are the two first wet grinding steps of the Fast Grind system. After grinding with grit 120, we densify the floor using Fast Densified Sodium. Fast Densified Sodium is a sodium silicate used to densify and harden concrete floors. We have a sodium version and a lithium version. Today we use the sodium version in a wet grinding process. You apply Fast Densified Sodium using a chemical applicator card. The card assures you the product is spread evenly over the floor. You let the product work for 30 to 45 minutes. Every 5 to 10 minutes you agitate the product using a scrubber machine or a mop. After 30 to 45 minutes you remove the product with the scrubber machine. After applicating the densifier, we continue with the next two grinding steps, which are grit 200 and 400. These are two wet grinding steps. These two steps are the last wet steps, so then we make sure the floor is dry, and you can use blowers or you can use anything to make sure the floor is dry before you go to the grit 800. The first dry grinding step is grit 800. This is a very important step if you want a high gloss finish. This is a step with a segment tool disc mounted on the pad. After grit 800 we use diamond pads. Diamond pads in grit 1500, 3000 and 8000. The first steps are 1500 and 3000 before we use Fast Protect as an impregnating sealer. After polishing with grit 3000, we use Fast Protect to protect the floor. Fast Protect is a fluorinated acrylic copolymer used to protect the concrete floor. It will make the floor water repellent and resistant to oil and stains. You apply the product in two thin layers. Spray the product on the floor and use a mop to evenly spread the product on the floor. The product will achieve its maximum result after 24 hours. The last step then, you can finish off with the buff pad. The buff pad is a very high and a very high gloss pad with a very fine grit. It's grit 8000, so you will have a very glossy floor and a perfect finish.